Hello students, this is video part number 4 of subject and verb concord. In our previous videos we have completed 20 rules for this. I hope you got all the rules. Please keep on revising these rules. Today let's start rule number 20 and 21, and with this we will be towards the end of the chapter. And today in this video we will do some of the exercises also. Rule number 21 says some nouns which are singular in form take a plural verb. Please take care. Some nouns which are singular in form take a plural verb. How? The poor are always underfed. So here this word, this noun, the poor, that is telling the entire group of the poor, right? So that's why I am using here are. Second sentence is the rich have come forward to help. So the rich is what? It is singular noun, but this is telling about all the rich people of the world. So it is what here? This is taking plural verb with that. So that is have. Next, the police are investigating. So the police is what? Singular noun, means the police is singular, but here it is what? Taking plural verb with that. And moreover, we do not have the plurals of these, right? So the poor, the rich, the police, we use in the singular as the singular noun only, but these takes now plural verb with them. Next, rule number 22 says in present tense, as if, means this group of words as if is given to you in your sentence. If always followed by were, whatever the subject is. So we are talking about present tense here, and as if is given in the sentence, so there we have to use were in the sentence, whatever the subject is. We will not bother this is singular or plural, but we have to fix a verb there. So that we have to see he talks as if he were a prince, right? So this is the answer for that. This is the verb. Now he talks is what? Present. Here the word as if is coming, then we have to go with were, right? So this is given in our rule. Next, 22b we have to do if past tense, in the past tense is given, and this as if word is given there also in the past tense, right? That is always followed by had been. Clear? If that is in present form, as if, we have to use were with all the subjects, and but when it is given in the past tense as if, then we have to use had been, means past perfect after that. So sentence is he had talked as if he had been a prince. So talked is what? Simple past. As if is given to you, and that's why we have used here had been with that, which is past perfect. Clear? So these are now we have completed all the rules of subject verb concord which are needed for your classes. Now let's see the exercises here. First, this exercise say fill in the blanks with the verbs that agree the subject. So the question given to you is there dash plenty of sugar in the jar. There dash plenty of sugar in the jar, and the option given to you is B, means B form is the base form, and you have to do that accordingly. So there is plenty of sugar in the jar, or if it is in past you want to do, so you may do was here, right? Because we are not stick to the tense here. So there is plenty of sugar in the jar. Next is politics dash a dirty game. Again B form is given to you. So politics is a dirty game, whether it is ending with S but it is not taken as plural. So politics is a dirty game. The red and the white umbrella dash good. B form is given to you. We are talking about only one umbrella which is of red and white color. So what we have to do, the red and the white umbrella is good, right? So we have to, if the sentence would be like that, the red and the white umbrellas are good, then it would be are good, because if the white and the red umbrellas are good, then we have to do are here. Question number 4 is, this pair of scissors not seen till yesterday, and the form given to you is B. I have told you when I was telling you the rules also, when this is a pair of scissors, pair of trousers and all that, there we have to use singular verb. But whether it is scissors or trouser and all that, there we have to use plural verb with that. So this pair of scissors, we are talking about one pair of scissors. So that is not seen till, sorry, yesterday is given. Here it is yesterday, so we will do here was, right, because tense is past here. All his information proved wrong. All his information proved wrong. Here all we are taking, so it doesn't mean that this is plural. All his information, we are talking about information here, which is taken as a singular noun here. So what we will do here, has or have, we have to do has. Has proved wrong. Tuberculosis dash not an incurable disease. Tuberculosis dash not an incurable disease. So tuberculosis is not an incurable disease. The Arabian Nights, that's a book, name of a book, and I've told you in the last video that with the books it take singular verb. So the Arabian Nights is a collection of story books. Next one, the police dash fanned out the area. Just now we have done here when some nouns which are singular in form, they take plural form. So here also the police, that will take plural noun. So the police have fanned out the area. The fleet of ships. Fleet of ships is what? Collective noun. Then what it takes? It takes singular. A fleet of ships was seen in the area. A box full of things. We are talking about a box only. We are not concentrating on the things here. A box full of things, right? So was there or were there? So that's a singular, a box. So for that we have to do was. Next is no news dash good news, is or are. Again that case, mathematics, economics and all that, and the news. So is good news. Each one of us dash quite sure that they would lie. So each one of us, we will not concentrate on us, we will concentrate on each, and that's a singular. So what you have to do is, right? So each one of us is quite sure that they would lie. So this is all about your chapter subject verb agreement. I hope you understood it, and I'll request you to please take a reading of this chapter and try to solve the exercising, the editing exercises or the fill in the blanks type of exercises on the basis of this. Thank you very much.